Thanks for having me.
All right, let's get a check on other markets. Now, let's take a look at what's happening with the crypto market. You see the color yesterday was all mostly green, still quite green right now, but we're seeing some pockets of red there with profit taking happening right there in the crypto market. Let's look at these sentiments right now. 52 points, still neutral right now. It's not yet got into greed. We're seeing investors not on greed mode yet, still quite neutral. Let's look at the top cryptocurrencies we track now. We see Bitcoin there holding up $28,163 this morning, 0.93%. Got that big jump yesterday. Did touch about 30,000 yesterday. Ethereum still holding 1,500 level, didn't get to the 1.6 level, 0.11%. BNB there pulling back after jumping above that $214 level, $212.97, 0.21% down, and we're seeing pullbacks all the way down to XRP, 0.48%. So let's get a sense of what happened in the market. Now, Gloria Chimelu, financial market analyst, joins me now. Great to have you, Gloria. Good morning.
Good morning, Larry. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so fake out yesterday. That fake Bitcoin ETF news pumped Bitcoin to about 30,000 yesterday. Is this how this market is going to be swayed by fake news?
Okay, yes, the pump yesterday was crazy. It actually came from Cointelegraph's social media, Twitter, and Cointelegraph tweeted that BlackRock's ETF has been approved. So that's why we saw a huge pump yesterday. It resulted in about $100 million in liquidation, and after the price went up, it came straight back down. A lot of sellers were actually shorting the market when Cointelegraph tweeted that the news was okay. First, the tweet was reportedly. Cointelegraph said it was reportedly approved. Then it deleted the tweet and made an apology. So that really shook up the market. Yesterday, Bitcoin moved from $27,200 to $30,000, and
so how do you?
Yes.
So how do you guard against this kind of trades? It's fake news, but a lot of people bought definitely at 30,000, but we're seeing a drawdown now. What do you do as a trader? You hear that kind of news, you just go straight and buy?
Okay, no. For example, it's very tempting to make decisions based on news, because news moves very fast. But if you're a trader and you're entering into short position yesterday, both short and longs got liquidated actually, because in the initial news, it shot up, Bitcoin shot up more than 10% up, and then it just came down to where we're seeing kind of $28,000 right now, where it is right now, still pulling back a bit. So news moves very fast. So as a trader, and it's also very confusing as a trader if you've done your technical analysis the previous day, and you hear this news, it invalidates your trade, and then it actually turns to a short later on. So it's kind of tricky getting this trade, but I would advise getting into trade unless the news is confirmed. Then the market will react accordingly.
Yeah, quite a difficult one for a trader to decide there, because while you're trying to confirm the news, and the news, is actually true, then the trade might actually leave you. So I can imagine not easy being a trader. So we're seeing big-time investor Kathy Wood is predicting multiple Bitcoin ETF approvals, going forward. Do you think she's onto something here?
Well, I don't think so, because the current SEC chair, Gary Gensler, we know him as someone that's not really enthusiastic about cryptocurrency. I mean, we saw it with the case of Ripple. Ripple finally winning their ruling after months and months of lawsuits and going to court. So I think that if a Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved, it will actually take more time for the SEC to approve others, because obviously this is something that SEC is still looking into, in as much as they want to protect consumers. But we've also seen how news around an ETF can break or make the market. So I think SEC want to be very careful about approving multiple ETFs at once. I think it's going to come one at a time.
Right. I guess it's not also easy being a regulator, for this market. Thank you so much, Gloria Chimelu, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thank you, Lad, for having me.
All right, we'll flip over to the top gainers counter now. Let's see who's topping that counter. We'll see Solana. Yeah, Solana getting a big boost from that news yesterday. 5.060%, $23.86. Not seeing Solana on the top gainers counter for a while now, getting a boost yesterday. Next, so also not seeing that one, 2.52%. And IOTA, 14 cents, 1.99%. Let's look at the top losers this morning. We'll see the top losers counter. We'll see Loom topping that counter, one of the OGs in the market there. Double-digit loss, 24.46%. And we see MakerDAO, $1,396. Down 5.54%. So that's the sentiment in the crypto market is still neutral at 52 points. So investors still having to deal with a lot when it comes to that ETF, that Bitcoin spot ETF approval. So that's a wrap on the program. Don't forget to visit www.channelcv.com for more updates. Also follow us on social media. From me and the team right here from Channels HQ Lagos, it's bye for now.